Hi friends, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So this is again a very special video on Veracity, that is VRA. If you haven't seen the first part of this video, please watch it first because this is a continuation of the same video. So VRA is showing something epic on charts, and we all know that because we have seen the first video. Today we are going to follow that same track and we'll look at whether we are really going on that same track or it was just an unwanted assumption. So make sure you like the video, you subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already, and please read this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. Nothing I'm telling you in this video or on my channel is of financial advice, and specifically this video we are purely speculating. So be aware and make your decisions with your own research. So with that, let us begin today's video. It's going to be very exciting and I'm going to talk about a lot of things related to Veracity. So please make sure you stick till the end of the video. So let's go to the Veracity chart. And I hope you guys have seen the first video. If you haven't, this video won't make much sense. So please go and watch the first video. I will provide the video link in the description. So we look at Veracity charts and we are following the track of VRA pumping to 23,000% in this range and in this leg, sorry. So let us look at what was the first pump when we started the journey of 23,000%. What was the first pump like? And if we look at this from its bottom till the first major consolidation, it was at approx 450%. It went till around 699%, and then it corrected and it came down to around 370%. So let's take in between at around 450%. And let us also look at what would it be if we go with the first major pump of around 700%. So we have a spike till 700%. So if we consider the current bottom and if we look at the current bottom and consider 700%, that would give us somewhat around 6 cent VRA. So the first major pump was for 700% in this 23,000% track, and we went, but they were just major spikes. If you see, the main price action was at around 400%. And if we look at the 400% mark, it is exactly where we are right now, where we saw the major price action. We saw, look at this very clearly, major price action. In fact, if we look at the spike, then it was also a correction of 50%, almost 50% correction from its 700% drop. Sorry, pump. So if we track this, let's say 700%, and then it's somewhere over here. Guys, this, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are liking my efforts. And if we correct from here, say 50%, so that would put us somewhere at around 3 cent region, 2.5 to 3 cent region. But as we saw that the major price action was at around this stage, so we are currently on track because we still haven't seen any major correction like this over here. If we look at the 400%, again guys, I don't say that we are going to replicate something as it is. It won't be so precise to the dollar, but it's rhyming. So it's going on a similar track given a few percent here and there, which is very important to look at. So we can very clearly see that the first major resistance was in this area between 400 to 600% region. And currently we haven't seen any major consolidation. We have been on a parabolic pump and without much consolidation in one range. So consolidating, let us take between 400 and 600, so say 500%, would be consolidating over here, which would again go very well with this region. As you can see, this was the previous high demand region over here. Lot of buying and selling happening at this range. So there would be nothing wrong in consolidating, or we can go and as high as 6 cents in this leg before we see any major correction. So the first leg is definitely on track. We are on track with it, and it is something very fascinating. But what is more important is this: once, let's say, we start our next leg from this, what would be the next pump like? And that pump from this 400% region, if we go to the next major pump, that is with the spike, if we are considering the topmost wick, it's set around 1200%. 1271% is the next pump from this region. If we calculate that with this 400% region, then the 1271% pump would place us somewhere, let's consider 1200%, would place us somewhere near 43 to 44 cents for a VRA. So after breaking its all-time high, and if we face some correction, then the next pump would lead us to around 40 cents to 42 cents VRA if we keep on track with our 23,000% roadmap, which literally looks possible, achievable, given the bull market is continuously happening. We also need to look at one very important factor. So please pay attention over here. And guys, before that, I would like you to please subscribe to the channel. You can see over here that we have 82% of the audience who are not subscribed to the channel. So if you're watching the video, a subscribe would mean a lot to me. So please do subscribe to the channel. Also, one very important announcement: if you like VRA and if you want to get lucky and be lucky to achieve 10,000 VRA, one lucky winner will get 10,000 VRA if my Twitter channel reaches to 10,000 followers. Okay, that's a very important condition. If we don't reach to 10,000 followers, then this giveaway will disqualify. But if we reach to 10,000 followers, I'll be giving 10,000 VRA to one lucky winner. So the date to reach 10,000 followers is 28th August. Do follow on Twitter and retweet and like this tweet so that more people can follow. Thank you very much for your time. Also, one very important announcement is that we are coming up with one live show from the coming Monday. Every week, Monday, we'll have a live show at 6:30 p.m. India time or 8 a.m. Central time. Make sure you subscribe to the channel because we are going to track this entire bull market and we look at live show. Every Monday, we look at the entire crypto market. And to check whether our technical analysis are precise, you must see the results that we've created. I will create a report card very soon. You can see this specifically for VRA. This was my first VRA post on 18th September 2020. 18 September 2020 was my first VRA post. At that time, VRA was under 2 million market cap. It was at around 1.6 to 1.8 million market cap. I don't remember exactly, but that was my first post. And there are followers of Bitcoin Gem who have achieved 100x, 50x from VRA alone because they got in this early. So we have created a lot of important results in people's lives. So please make sure you support our channel by liking and subscribing to the channel. So coming back to the VRA track, what is very important, as I told you, you have to keep a look at is that in this entire pump, when we are talking about 23,000% pump, what was very common is the 50% plus correction. Keep that in mind. Don't get shaken out by that. Just look at this. This first correction after this pump was around 50%. Even the second correction after this 1200% pump, if we take the correction from the top of the spike to the bottom of the spike, it was 54%. So in this phase, we did see 50+% corrections after a point. So if we look at this, then it's possible that we'll hit at around 6 cents and we can come back to retest 3-cent support. Or we might even have some correction right now. Look at the recent VRA analysis video, which I've posted yesterday, to understand what is going to happen in the recent future. So my point is, in this pump, it's not that we will just keep going up. We will have corrections because we will have to shake out weak hands. So make sure you are aware of that. That's something, if we are pumping and if we correct 40%, 50%, 60%, it is completely okay. If we have gone up by 400, 500, 600%, we have to shake out that weak hands. So when you are holding VRA, or when I am telling you that this is a possibility, again, this is purely speculation, looking at the previous VRA history. Okay. And it does, you can see even right now, it's almost rhyming with the previous history. So for most of the time, it does reflect, because it reflects human behavior. It reflects how people are reacting. And hence, it's possible that we will see a similar pattern. But again, this is a speculation. So please do not just take this as a face value that this is something which is going to happen. It is likely to happen. You might see it happening very similar, if not exact. But always remember that any major pump, whether it is Bitcoin, whether it is Ethereum, whether it is Veracity, or any good asset, anything that is pumping well will also correct hard in between. So 40, 50% correction, 60% correction should be with you in your mind. You can see we have always corrected before a new leg up. You can even say like this, look at this. This was a fall of around 86%. We came down 86% down, and now we are again 400% up. So this is going to happen, especially to a small cap app which is growing. This is a small cap gem, which is now not a small cap, but still a small cap comparing to a lot of high cap players in the crypto space. Anything below $1 billion is considered as mid cap or small cap. So this being this small, it is very small compared to a lot of big players in crypto. So a volatility of 50, 60, 70% is not unreasonable, because it will also pump that much. So if we are expecting a 1200% pump, then you can also expect a 50, 60, 70, 80% dump also on its way. So this is something which is very important for you to realize. And this is why I wanted to share this video, because the first video was purely what I could see which might happen. But now in this video, we are clearly seeing that things are on track. Things are literally on track. Just look at this. This is so similar. This was the first major wave up, and we can see that it is so similar to the current wave. So we are on track, and let's see whether we achieve this very similar to the previous pump. Also, fundamentally, things are looking quite good. I had tweeted this on 19th August that VRA weekly and monthly charts, it's foolish not to be bullish in this. Looking at the chart, I also feel something is cooking, because we could see if you look at chart, you can clearly see it is said in technical analysis that show me the chart and I'll tell you the news. And we can clearly see that the kind of buying that is happening, there is definitely something fundamentally strong that is happening within the system. And what we saw yesterday of Veracity's new update for proof of view chain, where we have seen, which is something very big that we are going to see, an integration with major enterprise video platform by end of Q4. So that is already in discussion. We are very close to proof of view being now applied by a lot of advertising platforms and enterprise advertising platforms in the Q4. So the beta testing is going on, and this has been a very positive report. If you haven't read that report, please read it. It's a detailed report where they have explained everything about how this proof of view will be applied, how they are creating a hard fork of a chain on Tron so that this proof of view can be tracked for different enterprises. So do go through that report if you haven't. So overall, things are looking really bullish for Veracity. And if we look at this 23,000% pump, we are on track. There is no doubt about it. So I hope this makes you happy as it is making me happy, as it is making me excited. Thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Do subscribe to the channel, like this video, and share this among people who want to get into Veracity. Thank you. Take care. Bye-bye.